Hello everyone. Today let's discover how to create a Roseon account and KYC level 1. First, download Roseon Finance app on Google Play or App Store. Now, let's register an account by filling in your email and password. Get a verification code from your email. Enter the invitation code from your friend. This is just an optional step. Okay, now you have an account. Let's go to the KYC. Click to your profile icon. Let's enable your phone number. Enter your phone number and get the code. It will be sent to your email and phone. Then, enable Google Authenticator. Copy this key and paste to the app. Get code from your email and phone once again. Go back to Google Authenticator to take a code. Last step, go to KYC level 1. Enter your information here. Choose ID card or passport, insert the correct number. Now you're done. Good luck and let's enjoy Roseon Finance.